Hello, guys and girls. Welcome to another section of the Forex Beginners course. And at this point, I don't even think I should be calling it Forex Beginners course anymore because now you should be able to know some basics about the Forex and financial markets. So, in this section, we are going to be talking about how to use and configure your trading view. When you log into your trading view or when you get your trading view app, maybe on your mobile phone or via a website on your laptop, you if you don't have an account yet, you are going to sign up with them and fill in all necessary information. And when you are done, you are going to log in, input your email, and then put your password. So when you get in, you are going to see a page like this. So what happens when you get here? You are already in the page and you are seeing charts and some other details also. Down here, you are going to see volume. You most likely don't need it, so you can right click on it and then remove it. Also, there are some things that you might not need, like this buy and sell button here. Since you are not going to be trading directly from your trading view, you might want to remove it. So just right click on it and then you just remove it by and sell button, then it's gone. Also, here you want to make sure it is completely tidy, so you can drag this downward since you are not going to be needing it. So just bring your cursor here and then drag it down. So also in some of these pairs you might not need as many as this, so you can just come to the right side here and then click on the X button, which is cancel, and then remove them. So if there are some that you need, you can leave them. And if you want to add more currency pairs, you can come to this plus button and click it. So whatever pair you want, let's use AUD USD as an example. You type in AUD USD. So this is AUD USD, and these are example of brokers that I was talking about the other time in the previous section. So you can see FXCM, you can see Oanda, you can see Forex.com, Pepperstone, Capital.com, 8Cab, etc. There are a lot of them. So you just have to pick one of them and then you are ready to go. So AUD USD is already here. So and then if you want to remove it again, you can cancel it here. So that is it. And to make your chart neater, the background is always white, but you can always change it to a dark background. So for example, me, I prefer the dark background because the white background might be too bright for some of us. So you can come to your profile here, then you see dark mode, then you switch it on. So that is all. Now it is in dark mode. Now the background. If you want to change, you can see some lines at the background, some vertical line and some horizontal line at the background. So you might want to remove it. You can leave it if you like it. And for some of you that want to remove it, you can remove it. So you come to the settings button here at the top right corner here. Then click on chart settings. Then you go to appearance. So under the appearance, you see background, vertical grid line, horizontal grid line. Then you click on vertical grid line first. Then you change it to black. Then the vertical grid are gone. Then you come to the horizontal grid, click it again and change it to black. Then it is gone. You can see that the chart is neater now. Under the white background also, if you want to do the same, for those of you that prefer the white background, just do follow the same step and just click on white for both vertical and horizontal grid. Then the background lines will disappear. So now that we have made our chart neater, let us go to the tools. Now if you click on this, You can see there's trend line tool, there's arrow, ray, info line, extended line, trend angle, horizontal ray. There are a lot of them. So what you can do is the ones that you know you are going to be using the most are the ones you are going to star. So for example, trend line, we are going to be using trend line a lot. So we can star it. Then it comes straight to our chart here. Also, we are going to be using horizontal ray a lot. You can style it also, and it is also on our chart here. Now let's see some other ones. If you come here also, you see a lot of tools that you can use. So whichever one you know you are going to be needing, then you are going to click and select them. And you can also favorite them so they can come to the screen for easy access. Let's see some tools there. Brush. We don't need brush all the time, but there are some times that you might want to forecast or just draw a structure. So let us pick it. It has been picked. Here also, we might not necessarily need anything here. Then let's go to the next one, patterns. We might not need anything here also. Here, okay, this is the long position. This is a very, very important tool. The short position also, you can start it. It is also a very, very important tool because it is these tools that we are going to be using to for entries and to place position. When you finish your analysis, what you want to do is place a short or long on your PS. So these tools are what you are going to be using to make entry and then know where your entry point is, your stop loss and your take profits, which I'm going to be explaining later. Let's see some other tools also. If you want to zoom in, zoom out. Also, in case let me use this as an example. If you draw a trend line like this, you draw a ray line. You've used your brush tool, you've used your long position and also short position, and then you just want to clear everything at once. You can come to the delete button at the bottom left corner here, and then you can remove them here. Remove 7 drawings, then they are all gone. It is that simple. Also, the favorite tools that you have already started, you can move them away, maybe to a more convenient place. You can click on it, click it down, then you can drag it down here or up here, wherever it is convenient for you. So these are some of the ways you can use this chart. You can always configure them to your own taste. You can keep making changes until you find until you find a way that it looks very, very pleasing to you, because you need to be comfortable with it. Also, the time frame, you can also start the time frame. So we are going to be using about 4 or 5 major time frames, so we can always start them also. We might need the 5 minute time frame, then the 15 minutes time frame, you can start it to the 1 hour time frame, the 4 hour time frame, then the daily time frame, which is 1 day, and the weekly time frame. I think those are the major ones that we're going to be needing the most. And if you can see at the top left corner here, they are already there. The 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, and weekly. They are already there. Also, for those that use indicators, this is the indicator button. There are lots of indicators that you can use there, but we are not going to be needing them in this course because we are dealing purely with pure price action, and as the popular saying goes, price action is king. So this is the alert button. In case you want to create an alert at a particular price, you can use the alert button and create. So you can see there's an orange dotted line here. So you can always shift it to wherever you want. Click it and then shift it, then save. That is how you create an alert button. You can also always remove it. Just right when you go there again, right click and then click on remove. Then yes, it's gone. Also, the replay button, this can be very tricky because according to TradingView, they have premium accounts, they have a pro account, but if you are using the ordinary account, you might not be able to use the bar replay on uh, on time frames that are lower than the daily time frame. So, but for the daily time frame, you can still use the bar replay tool. So you can see I've cleared the chart from May 2022. From May 2022 downwards, I've cleared them. So that is it. You can also bring them back by canceling the bar replay to exit. So let's try the 4 hour. Like I've said before, you can't do on the normal accounts, you can't go lower than the daily time frame for the bar replay tool. But if you want to go lower, you can always upgrade your account, maybe to a premium account or to a pro account. You can see as I try to use it on the 4 hour time frame, they are telling me to upgrade to pro plus or premium. So if you want to use it for lower time frame, you can always upgrade your account, but you can use the bar replay tool on daily and weekly time frame. So also, if you want to add more pairs, I've told you how to add it. You can always come to the plus button at the top right corner here, click it, and then type any pair you want to add. If it is BTC USD, EUR USD, GBP USD, just type it and it's going to bring it for you. Let's type GBP USD. So this is GBP USD from various brokers. So just click it and it is already there. Let's try to add another pair. Let us try NZD card. So add it and it is already there. So you can also remove them if you want by cancelling them here. So that is it. And like I've said before, you can always configure it to your own taste. You don't have to use the same method as I used. You can always configure it to your own taste. For example, the long position button, this is it. You can also change the color. In the long position, this this is where this is your stop loss region and this is your take profit region. So you can always change the colors here too. The red, you can change it to maybe blue and you can leave it at red if you want. So the short tool also, this is the stop loss region and this is the take profit region. So you can always change the color too if you want, but just make sure you know what each region stands for. So that is how to configure your trading view. If you want to add a watermark, for example, this is Bitcoin US dollar. So you can add watermark here. Go to the settings again at the top right corner here. Then at appearance, there's a watermark button here. So just click it and switch it on. Then it will be there. So you can see there's a watermark at the background which says BTC USD. But for not to distract yourself, you might choose to remove it. So just go back there and then untick the box. So and it's gone. So that is how you can configure your trading view. So now we are going to dive deep into technical analysis. So we'll see in the next section. Thank you.